Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sea moss gel with ginger. First, you'll want to prepare your sea moss. Begin by thoroughly cleaning about 1 cup of dried sea moss, ensuring all debris is removed. Next, place the cleaned sea moss into a large bowl and cover it completely with about 4 cups of spring or alkaline water. Let it soak for at least 12 to 24 hours. This allows the sea moss to rehydrate and expand significantly. Now let's infuse our ginger. Boil about 2 to 3 inches of sliced fresh ginger in 2.5 cups of spring or alkaline water for approximately 20 minutes. Once boiled, let this ginger-infused water cool completely. Next, transfer your rehydrated sea moss to a high-powered blender. Add 1 to 2 cups of the cooled ginger water, starting with less and adding more until you achieve a perfectly smooth, gel-like consistency. Proper storage is key to enjoying your sea moss gel. Once blended, pour the gel into an airtight glass jar or container. Refrigerate it immediately. The gel will continue to thicken over at least 2 hours as it cools. Your homemade sea moss gel will stay fresh in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 weeks. For extended use, you can freeze it in ice cube trays, where it will last for up to 3 months. This ginger-infused sea moss gel offers numerous benefits. Sea moss itself contains 92 essential minerals, supporting your body's overall wellness. The added ginger provides powerful anti-inflammatory effects and aids in healthy digestion. You can enjoy 1 to 2 tablespoons daily by adding it to your smoothies, teas, or simply consuming it straight. It can also be applied topically as a face mask for vibrant skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.